welcome back to her video, but don't mind her face. And this is gonna be the
day in our lives on quarantine. Hey, okay, so I'm trying out a new coffee, and I don't know why, but it looks really light, not as dark, and it is from H-E-B. So H-E-B, what's going on? No, it's not good.
Okay, so while my mom's making the coffee again, I am gonna eat Cheerios. And yeah, Cheerios. It's not sponsored.
Oh my god. You're so crazy.
Look at me, Mama.
Where do you even get these things?
I'm always energized in the morning. Comment below if you guys are energized in the morning as well.
So pretty much what we're gonna be doing today is eat.
Show you what we do on our daily basis.
Yes. So first, I usually like to clean because I don't like to do anything without
Oh, come on, just relax for once.
clean. No, without having a clean house. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit.
So pretty much you're gonna see what we do on our
And then
daily basis.
Camila has school.
Yeah.
And then baby, look at your hair. And then I have to do a little bit of work and gonna make breakfast, work out. Oh, I don't know if I want to work out before breakfast or after.
After.
And then eat some more. Let's see. She's clearly the morning person.
I always wake up early.
Yeah.
They wake up late.
Well, last night we didn't go to sleep till like 2 in the morning.
I could not even go to
So
sleep.
Chris is still asleep, which is another reason why I'm talking low.
Mama, look at heart. Heart.
They all have hearts, I think.
That dance is not sponsored.
Oh my god. Alright, so while Camila does she's doing a little project. The sea ice habitat. I'm going to be making some oatmeal pancakes. This is what you need. Need some eggs, banana. I'm gonna add cinnamon, baking powder, oatmeal, and maple syrup. You guys, look at Camila's forest she drew.
I think
Isn't
it
that
looks
freaking
ugly.
good?
I think it looks ugly.
Now she's gonna draw a polar bear. And then I have this is a trick to staying online on Skype. See how my Skype says I'm online? Leave your YouTube on, and then it'll show you on Skype. Tips by Sandy. These are my oatmeal pancakes.
And this is my drawing.
And look at Camila's drawing. So
Fish.
beautiful.
There's gonna be the fish, and then there's gonna be the penguins. Ooh.
But I can't even do that crap.
I told her, I said, the teacher's gonna think I did it.
Gonna think it good.
Yeah. Time to work out. Come work out with me. She's just living her best life, eating Cheetos. Today's workout, I'm actually gonna be doing outside, my little patio. This is my little makeshift quarantine gym. I use these as weights. I really don't know how much it weighs, but it's a 24 pack. I have this to do lunges on. I have my little jump rope, 2 8-pound dumbbells. I know they look different size, but they're actually both 8 pounds. 8 pounds, 8 pounds. And then I have my 2 little resistant bands. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, this was my outfit of the, well, workout outfit of the day. It's just my little biker shorts and sports bra are both from Forever 21. They have really good workout attire for cheap. And yeah, other than that, I am done with my workout. Probably didn't really do, I didn't do my best work today, but I got a little sweat in. It was about 25 to 30 minutes, so that's not too bad. I feel like it's just a gloomy day. The sun is not out, and I'm really hungry. So right now we're just waiting on Chris. He's bringing some seafood. Then we're gonna eat lunch, and then we're just gonna go chill. I don't know what we're gonna do later, but we'll bring you along, so stay tuned. Sorry, my love. Ooh, Chris got chilada mix. This is the best michelada mix. What's wrong with them?
It's soggy and hot.
I how they always are.
It's been a pretty fun day.
Yeah, freaking, it's crazy at Mambo.
Why is it because they're not letting anyone in?
You go like you order it online or through the phone, but if you order on like if you just people trying to order there, I'm like, yeah, well, I remember it snapped. I was like, it's Good Friday.
This is what we have to eat. And a michelada. Thanks to my lovey. This is my fiance, by the way. Baby, say hi.
What up?
He didn't disinfect himself, but
I wash my hands.
sorry, I forgive him because he brought me food. You guys, look at the fort that Christopher made for Camila. It's literally our entire living room.
Catch up on your favorite Freeform originals. Streaming now.
Oh, why is it not? It's not focusing. Camila can watch the TV.
Hey guys.
We were literally all in there. Here, give them a little tour.
So we put this chair up so it wouldn't fall down. We have some pillows. We have a chair.
Show them the, what is this? Wrapping paper.
We also put the wrapping paper up, so the same thing. Also with the
We need some more pillows.
Infection City.
So, show them how you lay, baby.
Get off there.
I lay like this.
And there's still a little bit of light out, but once it gets dark,
Always carry a good
it's gonna be
This one's mine. It's prescription.
pretty dark in here.
Oh, that's a big tube.
It's gonna be like a
It doesn't
movie
take your
theater.
bathroom.
So it's pretty much movie night. Chris went to the store. He's gonna buy brownie mix, and he's also getting some ice cream because I wanted a brownie sundae. Camila she says she doesn't like brownies, so he's getting something for her. But yeah, we're pretty much just gonna be chilling inside the fort, make brownies, pig out, and be lazy. I was disinfecting you.
Wait, did you get my slip?
Wait, we gotta disinfect.
Vanilla!
Wait.
Hi, Spring.
So the old lady in the front that checks like the receipts and stuff, she gave me some.
You did?
Yeah.
For free?
Yeah, she was just squirting everything.
Oh, she's squirting everything.
You gotta ask.
Don't judge because we haven't been able to find baking powder anywhere. So I told him to just get a box. And we got
Ice cream.
ice cream. Wait, baby, you gotta make sure you wipe everything down. I'll do it. Got him. I did.
There you go. I was getting that a lot these days, yeah. Yeah. Oh, that looks nice too. Oh yeah, this right here.
Passcode.
Mommy.
Yes.
Got all the ingredients. Now, time to bake.
Play it cool, Chang. Play it cool, man. I can't play it cool. I'm black.
This is right outside of balcony. Oh,
Okay. Getting out.
our tent is pretty nice.
Okay.
Now we are getting the brownies and the ice cream. Girl.
Yeah, go already.
What?
Put this game up there enough for people to buy it. I gotta say, man, we gotta get in that part. We gotta get in that part.
We go.
No matter what, man. It's chupa mis bolas y pito, mano. What does that mean? It means suck my balls and fuck you cockers. Talking about.
Alright guys, well that's it for today's video vlog.
No way, you freaking
I
twitching.
hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are staying safe at home and having fun
Gotta go down there and see what
with your
that was.
families.
Listen to me, alright?
And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
This is what we do all night.